guys, welcome back to another amazingly perfect video of Daenerys Crazy Hair Day. I hope you guys are having an incredible day and an amazing morning or night. I don't know when you guys are watching this, but I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you're new to this channel, you guys are the crazy, and you guys are my stylists. Okay, because my YouTube channel is called Crazy Hair Day, and you guys are my stylists. Okay, so thank you so much for subscribing. Like this video, turn on notifications, leave a nice comment down below if you'd like to. I'm not forcing you to. If you don't like this YouTube channel, then you can put a thumbs down. I'm not telling you to like it, but anything else. And as you guys know, I'm doing 2 YouTube channels. So this is my basically not my YouTube channel, but like, I'm vlogging from the other phone. Say hi, babe. Hi, babe. Hi, babe. Okay, so now you come with the thing. Okay, so yeah, I'm done. Today I'm just going to be changing some of my slimes and basically all that. Well, so yeah, let's get right to the boot and start this morning with the whole new boot. So these are basically some of the things that I use to make my slimes and blah blah blah, but no biggies, no biggies. No biggies, no nothings, no worries, I'm good. So I got those cheers, so I'm doing just fine. Hi, how you doing? Welcome to the candy shop. You can really rock to get you guys have to go follow me on YouTube. I mean, Musically. You guys have to go follow me on Musically, because if you're not, then you will turn on the notifications. And like this video as hard as you can. So say, welcome to the candy shop. You can really walk. You can get a lollipop. Hey, how you doing? Welcome. Okay, guys. So, my goodness, there's so many of me. I just absolutely adore it so much. So, these is my slimes that I got to show you guys. Give me a second, you guys. Okay, now, these 2 slimes aren't really my good qualities, because those dried up while I was playing with it, but the blue one is still kind of working, but this one is absolutely my favorite one. I just adore it so much, and I don't know what would I do without my slime, because I just love them so much, and they're so beautiful and marvelous. So this is my slime. Okay, so this is the satisfying part. Now that is satisfying. Tell me the truth, you guys. You guys don't need a lie, no worries, I got choose backs. Okay, so I'm going to show this camera. If you guys have to follow this YouTube channel too, then you guys will see how the slime looks, and it's super satisfying. In case you guys don't know, that is how the slime looks like. Super duper satisfying, right? I know. Now you guys are just this. I had a little bit of coloring, but no worries. Those are just glitters, not garbage. It's just glitters. Don't worry, you guys. Okay. I'm the hottest in the store. You probably heard of me say little. You can me if you want. Okay, so now it's time for the teddy bear I've been waiting for. Poking it. So you guys have to follow this channel if you guys really want to see how it looks. I'm gonna poke it. This is actually super duper satisfying. the hottest in the story. Why you probably heard of me say little. Look at me if you want to. This is me. It's super duper satisfying. You guys absolutely love it so much. I'm not honest. Why you probably say little. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to put you back because it'll be kind of unfair. Because this is my original YouTube channel. Wait, there's like a bubble right there. I'm the hottest in this country. Why? He does have to say this. I'm the hardest in this street. Why you probably heard? Got it, better. I'm the hottest. Why you probably heard it? Say little bitch, you can't fuck me if you want to. This is it. I know. You guys love it so much. It's just so satisfying. I know. I absolutely love it too. I'm so sorry. I'm the hottest in the street. Why you probably heard of me say that you can fuck with me if you want. It's time to put on that sick music in 3, 2, 1. I'm sorry, you guys, I took out the music. But it was time to. I'm not in the street. Why you probably? Oh, I forgot that I was making like a slime interview. So let's put it back in its jar. Just let it sit there for a while. And like, Hey guys, stay ready until I grab my other slime. Okay, so this is my other slime, guys. I hope you guys love it so much. I'm the hottest one. So first, let's interview the white one, which I absolutely do not like. So this one was basically one of my worst slimes ever. It's like, oh, this one's bouncy. Oh, come back here. It's so bouncy, I couldn't even kick it, bro. Bro, I don't like this slime, but it's like slime. But it breaks into pieces. So let's just interview my other slime. This one was one of my hardest slimes. I mean, this one's not so satisfying, but it's good. I'm the hottest in the street. Oh, you probably heard of me. Got a bug and fix my little bitch. You can't fuck with me if you wanted to. This is busy. This is red bottom. This is bloody. Hit the school. I can't get on more. I don't want her. Couldn't go. So don't get comfortable. Look. Now I don't need now. I make money. I don't got it. I make on moves. If I see you now, speak. That means I move back with you. Pass you. Now, see. Let's right now. Let's go. No. Yeah. Okay, you guys. I just got... So I got super lazy there, but okay, we're back. Okay, next slime. This is my next slime. I haven't really played with the slime that much. It's not... Ew, it's so wet. That's what I mean. I don't really like that slime. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for liking these slime videos. I need to get a life. Okay, guys, so that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube vid. And please like, turn on notifications, and I'll see you down. And peace. Brrr. Brrr.